In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make upwards up to $1,000 per day with affiliate marketing, promoting digital and physical products using Google Ads. So as you can see here on my screen, I have had over $3,000 in one day in commissions. As you can see here, 1,500, 500, 500, and 700 US dollars in commissions paid out, right? So after watching this video, you can reach out to me over here on my Instagram, as you can see, right? So the point of this video is to show you exactly how I use Google Ads to get these commissions, right? So why Google Ads? Because we are looking for the buyers, and buyers are everywhere, but especially on Google. Why Google? Because they're already looking for specific solutions, products to their pains and problems, right? So that's why they and I would use personally Google Ads if I was a newbie and if I want to make quick cash, long-term income online, successful affiliate marketing business online. I would start with the Google Ads first. Why? Because they're buyers, right? So if you're looking for real buyers, I would suggest Google Ads. So let me show you how exactly step by step is done using Google Ads. So let's see over here. Let me open here to see what are the targeting options with Google Ads. So you see we have keywords, right? We target people by keywords on Google. So start with buyer keywords first and scale with topic keywords. You see, I'm not sure if any of the Clickbank gurus have ever told you in any of these expensive courses, high ticket courses before, but it's really important to understand this topic, which is targeting options by keywords with buyers keywords, right? You can, you can go out and target gazillion, million different keywords and you lose only money and time and you will not have any conversions at all. Why? Because you don't understand who is your audience, what is their language, what is their mind talk, and what are the buyer keywords. So if you have the knowledge about what is the buyer's keywords, you can basically insert 5 to 10 different keywords or 3 to 5 keywords, right? And then you can regulate and start seeing success much more faster than someone who doesn't know anything about it. Just put some stuff out there on Google and expect to get sales overnight. It doesn't work like that, right? You have to have some knowledge about, or someone just to like mentor you, guide you through step by step to show you exactly how it's done properly. But of course you have to invest some money and a little bit of time, right? You cannot expect something for nothing. So you can see over here what I'm using. It's this strategy, and please write it down. ADA. So basically attention, interest, desire, action. Again, attention, interest, desire, action. So what I'm using on landing pages is this, right? When I'm reviewing landing pages, the first section gets attention. Of course, headline, the first section gets attention, which is really important. You cannot just put any curiosity line over there because you will lose your audience, right? The people will opt out. They will not click through, they will not read through the whole blog post, advertorial, or landing page. They will not buy and go to your Clickbank website. Why? Because you lost them along the way. So graphics and text, really important. Second step, the next section, right? Focus on what will keep their interest. So what is the interest? Relevant problems, back pain, toothache, hair loss, divorce, breakup, right? It needs to keep their attention. The third step is desire. So what's going to make them desire your offer? Testimonials, maybe, yes. Demonstrations, of course. And product images, yes. There are also other steps along the way without ever showing your product images on landing page. But you have to understand those are the basic fundamentals, and I don't see anyone teaching this. In any Clickbank guru courses, you cannot buy this strategy over here. Right? Once you understand that, you will say, even I pay $10,000 for this training right now. I'm teaching you right now. If I pay $10,000 or 10,000 euros and I get nothing else out of it, only this, I could make $10,000 to $20,000 in the next 30 to 60 days back just with this idea, with this aha moment. So try to understand, fix your mindset on that, right? If you're not prepared to invest any money, don't even bother watching my video. Just unsubscribe now, right? I don't need you. Because you have to understand, you have to be serious. If I am ready to invest my time and effort into helping you succeed watching this video, then you should be expected to to invest some of your money into this for your own results. So the next step, we say the last one is call to action. So action is really important, right? What is going to make them to call to action? So it can be urgency, scarcity, call to action buttons, right? Buy now buttons that look like buttons, and of course they have to have different colors. Colors are really important on landing pages. Again, if you don't know what you're doing, you can waste lots of time and money playing around and trying out and split testing stuff that you don't know work or will not work, right? So that's really important. So what to do next? So after watching this video, right, you can click the link below, connect with me one-on-one, email me, right? So you can get all the access below this video. Just click the links below this video, and you can get also email swipe file, which is worth of over $10,000. Why? Because if we call it please take my money now, because this is like giving you free money basically. If you can utilize that email templates, you can promote any offer, high ticket, low ticket, and you will make money for 100 or 1000%, because it works. It's proven it works for different marketers, super affiliates in online or offline marketing. So it works really well. So after watching this video, what you can do is also, as I've shown you over here, reach me out on my Instagram. As you can see over here, right, my photos. Reach me out here. Click, follow, subscribe, ask me any questions, right? And you will be able to get personal support. Of course, be willing to invest some money. Do not reach out to me if you have zero money, because I cannot help you at all with zero money. So make sure you have some money and a little bit of time on the side, and then we can get you up and running to have results like this and start having success online.